Hi! Welcome to BookBox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get our latest videos.
Rain, Rain by Sanjiv Jaiswal. A cloud rolled along merrily in the sky. The peacock said, "Why don't you rain? I will dance for you." The fish said, "Please rain, I need more water." The farmer said, "Please rain, I'll plant seeds for the next crop." Raju said, "If you rain, I'll sail paper boats." The cloud rained in a shower of shimmering drops. The peacock spread its pretty feathers and danced. The pond filled up. The fish was happy. The farmer started planting seeds. Splish, splash, splosh. Raju and his friends had a wonderful time in the puddles. The cloud filled everybody's heart with joy. It moved on. All the children waved goodbye.
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.